everyone, and welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day, showing you guys some really healthy, easy, delicious meals. It is about 11:30 right now. If you guys didn't know, I do gluten-free, dairy-free, mainly paleo, and I like to practice intermittent fasting. So it is time for breakfast. Oh, I think I hear the fire alarm. Okay, it's not in my unit. Okay, but we're gonna have chia pudding, and I meal prepped this last night along with some of my pumpkin spice grain-free granola. Guys, this is so good. I feel like I make a batch every single week. I was doing the chocolate one in the summertime, and now in fall, like, I'm all about the pumpkin spice. So I will leave that recipe down below. And then I have my chia pudding. I love chia pudding because it's full of healthy fats and fiber, omega-3s, and it's really nourishing to the gut. It's gonna keep you full for hours. It's really like my go-to like breakfast recipe, and then I change up the toppings and the granola for the season. And if you haven't tried my recipe for chia pudding, I use full-fat coconut milk, and I swear it makes the biggest difference, and it tastes so decadent when you do. So this is my breakfast. I normally add fresh fruit, but I don't have any at the moment. Normally I add berries or something, but oh well. It's still gonna be super delicious. We've got fats, protein, fiber, and it's gonna be a really good, nourishing, and filling breakfast. So I'm about to make a lunch, and I'm gonna make like a salad with just some leftover veggies and protein that I have, but I want to show you guys this dressing that I've been loving. It's the Chosen Foods one. It's made with only avocado oil, which you guys know I love, because a lot of salad dressings can be made with harmful oils like canola oil. So I've been loving this dressing. And then I have some leftover chicken, some masala roasted cauliflower, and some greens. This is my finished salad. We have the masala cauliflower, some chicken, the dressing, and then I ended up adding hemp hearts on top of the lettuce as well. But it's a really good, hearty, nourishing salad that's full of so much flavor. All right, guys, it is time to make dinner. It's actually quite late. It's late for me to start cooking at 6 o'clock because I was on the phone with a friend, but I thought I would make some delicata squash fries. If you guys saw my videos last year, oh, I love delicata squash fries. They get crispy and delicious. They're perfect for fall. We're also gonna do some broccoli with that, and then I'm gonna meal prep some ground beef to have for the next couple days. So yeah, we gotta prep the delicata, the broccoli, and get those in the oven, and then I will just be cooking the beef on the stovetop. So while the delicata is in the oven, I wanted to let you guys know about my podcast. If you guys haven't heard, I did launch a podcast. I think it was like a month and a half ago now. And it is called the Live Well Podcast. I will leave it down below. It's available on Apple and Spotify. I basically get into a lot of good like nutrition, gut health, skin, all that kind of stuff, and they're longer form topics that I don't normally talk about so much on here. So if you like my nutrition content, you are going to love the podcast. So head on over there and listen to the episodes. I think there's like 7 out right now, so there's quite a few episodes to listen to. So this is my finished dinner. As you can see, the squash fries turned out so nice and crispy. Then I have some ground beef and some broccoli. Kept it super simple, but honestly, it's so delicious. And then for dessert, I'm having a couple squares of this Hue Kitchen chocolate. It's really good. There's no refined sugar, no cane sugar, sugar alcohols, palm oil, anything like that. It's all vegan and paleo, and I love the little bit of salty with the dark chocolate. So I hope you guys enjoyed that what I eat in a day. I am going to leave my last what I eat in a day here on the screen so you can watch that next and get lots more healthy meal ideas. Today was honestly super simple. I kept it basic, but to show you guys that like healthy eating can be super simple and delicious. It doesn't have to be complicated, even though like you can definitely make complicated recipes like eggplant parm. You can also just do simply like protein and roasted veggies. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.